Let's play, discover, sister and brother. Mom, Dad, the high camp. You play and discover.
What's up, Play and Discover kids? Today we're going to read BLUEY's Copycat. Yawn. Dad wakes up and sleepily rubs his eyes. Huh? Are you copying me, Dad? Asked Dad. Are you copying me? BLUEY replies. Oh boy, says Dad. Dad steps out onto the deck to do his morning stretches. Ah, ha, ha. Burble, 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 burble. I'm BLUEY and I stink like a monkey's butt, says Dad. I'm BLUEY and I stink like a monkey's butt, shrugs BLUEY. Well, good that we can agree on that, says Dad. Time for my morning walk. Time for my morning walk. Morning, Wendy. Did you know I like to smack my bum as hard as I can? Where were you on that one? Where were you on that one? Grr. Stop copying me. Stop copying me. Suddenly, BLUEY spots something. Hey, Dad. Dad comes to look. I'm a little buggy, he says. It's okay, asks BLUEY. No, it looks hurt. What do we do? asks BLUEY. We better get him some help. Dad reaches up to pick the budgie. Ow, he nipped me. Toughen up, bandit. Dad asks BLUEY to run inside and get a shoebox and a tea towel. Be careful, says BLUEY. He's as light as a feather, says Dad. What do we do now? asks BLUEY. We go to the vet. What if the seatbelt doesn't fit? Dad knows just what to do. You're a good seatbelt, Dad. Watch out for cars, says Dad as they cross the road. Dad hands the budgie to the receptionist. I think a cat might have got him. She takes him to the vet. Good luck, little mate. Will the budgie be okay? asks BLUEY. I don't know, says Dad. He looks pretty knocked around. The receptionist comes back. It's bad news, I'm afraid, she says gently. The little budgie died. BLUEY and Dad head home. I don't want the budgie to have died, BLUEY sighs. I know, me neither, says Dad, but there's nothing we can do. It's out of our hands. Are you sure he won't get better? Yeah, I'm sure. Oh, BLUEY, says Mum softly. BLUEY sits in the backyard. She has an idea. Bingo, can you pretend to be a budgie? She asks. Tweet, tweet. Good day, little fella. You look hurt, says BLUEY. We best get you some help. Bingo, you have to nip me. Okay, replies Bingo. Ow! Bingo, that wasn't a nip. That was a chomp. BLUEY laughs. Toughen up, BLUEY, she tells herself. BLUEY puts Bingo in a shoebox, but this budgie is heavy, light as a feather. Now, let's get you to the vet, says BLUEY. Gotta watch out for cars. Hello, dear. What seems to be the matter? asks the receptionist. I think a cat beat up this little fella, says BLUEY. Take a seat. I'll take him to see our vet. Good luck, little mate. I hope the poor budgie's okay. I'm pretty sure he won't be, says BLUEY. I've got good news, says the receptionist. Your bird is okay. No, Mum, you have to pretend it's bad news, says BLUEY, that the budgie's dead. Are you sure? asks Mum. Yeah, I'm sure. Okay, I have bad news, says Mum. Oh, did the budgie die? asks BLUEY. I'm afraid she did, says Mum. BLUEY's upset. She didn't want the budgie to die. Bingo, what are you doing? shouts BLUEY. You're not supposed to be better. We probably should have told the budgie, says Mom. This isn't how you wanted the game to go, is it? Asked Mom. No, but that's okay, says Bluey. There's nothing we can do. It's out of our hands. Tweet, tweet. The end. Thank you for reading with us playing Discover Kids. We'll see you next time.
Let's play Discover, Sister and Brother, Mom, Dad.